If your Google Chrome prints are coming out too small, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it quickly and get your pages printing at the right size again. This is a common issue, and it usually comes down to a few simple settings like print scale, paper size, layout, or website formatting. So whether you're printing a document, a web page, or an online form, this guide will help you make the text and content appear much bigger and clearer on paper. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the page or document that you want to print. This could be a web page, a PDF opened in the browser, or any online file that supports printing. Now press Ctrl and P on your keyboard to open the print window. On a Mac, you can usually use Command and P instead. Chrome will bring up the print preview screen, which shows you exactly how the page will look before it prints. This is where we can fix the sizing issue. In the print preview window, click on More Settings. This section gives you extra controls for how your printout will appear. Now look for the scale option. If the scale is set too low, your print can come out tiny and hard to read. You might see values like 50%, 70%, or fit to page, and those settings can make the content shrink more than you want. Click the drop-down menu next to Scale and choose Customized if available, then set it to 100%. If the content still looks too small, you can try 125% to make it a little larger. This is one of the fastest ways to fix Google Chrome printing too small. After that, check the paper size setting. Make sure the paper size matches the paper that is actually loaded in your printer. For most users, that will be A4 or a letter. If the wrong paper size is selected, Chrome may shrink the page to fit, which can make everything look smaller than expected. So always double check that this setting matches your printer paper exactly. Next, take a look at the layout option. You can switch between portrait and landscape depending on the web page or document. Some sites are designed to print better in landscape, while others look best in portrait. If the content is getting squeezed or shrinking too much, changing the layout can make a big difference. It is worth testing both options if the first print preview still looks too small. If the page is still not looking right, scroll through the print preview and see whether the web page itself has a strange format. Some websites use narrow columns, mobile layouts, or embedded content that prints smaller than expected. In that case, adjusting the scale and layout together usually gives you the best result. You can also try refreshing the page before printing, or opening the page in a different tab to make sure the browser is not loading a broken version. Confirm the paper size and tested the layout. Look at the preview one more time. If everything now appears larger and readable, go ahead and click print. That should give you a much better result without the tiny text issue. If the first attempt still isn't perfect, don't worry. Just go back and make one change at a time until the preview looks right. Usually, one of those three settings is the cause. So to quickly recap, open Chrome, press Ctrl plus P, go into More Settings, change scale to 100% or 125%, confirm the paper size matches your printer, and test portrait or landscape if needed. With those changes, you should be able to fix Chrome printing too small in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.